Welcome to the AARDY.com YouTube channel for travel tips. I'm Jonathan Breeze, the CEO, and today's topic is United Airlines travel insurance worth buying? Well, you probably spent a good deal of time and effort searching to get the right flight for your trip, but at the checkout from United Airlines purchase page, they probably offered you a single choice of insurance. Now, in all probability, it's going to be expensive and not cover what you need. Our advice is to take a look at a travel insurance marketplace like Aardvark Compare and shop around to get the right plan for your needs at the best possible price. And here's the thing. It'll take you less than 2 minutes to get an anonymous quote and let you compare and contrast what your airline or travel site is offering you. So let's use a real example. This is United Airlines travel insurance. The search parameters here are one traveller spending $5,000 on trips between the 1st and the 15th of October. Now, this United policy will cover you if you get laid off work, but not unless you've worked for your company continuously for the last 3 years. It also won't cover you if your company needs you to cancel your holiday for a work reason. This is where a cancel for work reason coverage would help. Now, it's not that we're saying that United Insurance is bad, but just that it probably makes sense to spend a couple of minutes shopping around to get the best coverage for your needs at that best possible price. So looking at United's coverage limits, they're not extensive and the policy is not cheap. For our search parameter for just one traveller, their plan is $480. If we were to run the same quote on Aardvark Compare, the cheapest quote for the same search parameter starts at $161. Now, not every policy is the same. The most comparable quote from Aardvark Compare is probably the iTravel Insured Travel Lite product, which comes in at $181 on the exact same quote criteria. That's $300 cheaper than the United plan. So let's Aardvark compare some of the main coverage that most travellers need. There's trip cancellation, trip interruption, medical cover, and medical evacuation. The United policy covers trip cancellation to 100% of the trip cost. Same for the Aardvark plan. United also covers trip interruption to 100% of the trip cost, whereas our plan covers this to 125%. Now, United will cover just $10,000 of medical bills if you get ill whilst on vacation, whereas the Aardvark plan, well, let's just go and add another zero to that figure for $100,000 of medical cover. Finally, United give you $50,000 of medical evacuation cover. On the Aardvark plan, well, let's just go and add $200,000 to that amount for a cool $250,000 of medical evacuation. And like the United plan, it also provides if you're laid off work. But unlike the United plan where you have to have worked with your employer for 3 years, with the Aardvark plan, it's only 1 year. And it also covers your firm needing you to cancel your trip for a work reason, which the United plan does not. And again, let's remind you the price. The Aardvark plan, $181. The United plan, $482. That's a $300 difference. And that's just for a quote for one person travelling. Now imagine you're travelling with your whole family. So ask yourself, do you still want to buy your travel insurance from United? Our advice at Aardvark Compare is before you buy a travel insurance policy from your airline or travel agents to shop around and see how much you can save on a product that's right for you. Thanks for watching the Aardvark Compare YouTube channel for travel tips. And remember, insurance plans in the US are filed, including the price, so you can't and won't find a plan cheaper anywhere else. Safe travels.